Hello everyone. As I have mentioned in our meetings, DealerSocket enhanced the SocketTalk tool so you're able to send documents, photos, and videos to a customer. And just a reminder that company policy is anytime you text a customer, you should be using an approved tool like SocketTalk. So now it makes it easier. We can pretty much do everything we would want to text from your personal phone. We can do it through our tool here. It protects you and the dealership. So I'm going to show you how to use it. Pretty simple. But if you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out to me. You can call me on my cell phone, which is 904-838-4838. So as you're in the opportunity and you want to text a customer, of course you're going to use this bubble icon here and click on it. As you can see now, on the very bottom left-hand corner, there's a couple different icons that were not here before. This icon here allows you to attach pictures. This icon here allows you to attach video. If you're on your mobile device, as soon as you click on this, your mobile device as your phone would go to the video recording tool that you have on your phone. So you can actually take a video and send it as a live video. This right here is for templates. So there's a few templates in here that we've created. If you feel like you want some more templates added, just let me know. I can easily add it for you. What we're going to do now is just show you how to add a picture. So you've already taken the picture, you've downloaded it to your desktop. So you're going to click on the picture icon, and I've downloaded this Mazda 3 pic from the website, so I just clicked on it. Open. And as you see here, it attaches it to the SocketTalk tool. I'm going to put a message. This is the Mazda 3 I spoke to you about. And hit send. So in a few seconds, it'll show that you've actually sent the text. And that's it. Same thing with a video. If you open or click the video icon, if you have a video on your desktop, you can select it, hit open, it'll attach it. You type the message here and hit send. Now once again, on your mobile device, as on your phone, if you select any of these icons, the picture or video, it'll take you to your picture tool so you can take a live picture. Or if you select the video tool, it'll take you to the video tool and you can take a live video and send it. It works the same way. There you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you and happy selling.